me, I bought only one shot.
Yeah, no problem,
It's
no
okay,
problem.
it's okay.
To Honorable Speaker.
This is a memento of Delhi Vidhan Sabha.
So, this is
Good lady. She take care too much. Really, I am obliged. She told to me that.
हमारे सेक्रेटरी कमिश्नर सेक्रेटरी मिस्टर अंड्रू ये अच्छा है ये
Oh, कैसे है?
हमारा यहाँ अभी विधानसभा चल रहा है
Vidhan Sabha session is going on.
सेशन इस
It was started, I think, on 23rd.